1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a Hyd-Mech automatic horizontal bandsaw with mitering capability. Model S20A. Machine was new in 1995. Right now it is running. Machine has a 13 by 18 inch capacity or 13 inch round at the 90 degree. If you miter it, which the base swivels, if you miter it to 45, it's 13 by 10.9 or a 12 inch round. The machine has a fully automatic cycle where you can pull the material through. Device is open and closed, brings the material forward. Front vise locks. Goes back, begins a cycle again. You're going to cut the piece. The blade is a 1 inch width. You have from 74 to 400 surface feet per minute of blade speed. Okay. Machine has a 3 horsepower variable speed motor. Yeah, we're going to show you how you miter. He's unlocking it. He's moving the head. Then you relock it, and then you would start the cycle at the miter. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching our video.